It's the Underpowered Hour. We're away on our holiday break, so enjoy these shorts, and we'll see you in the new year. All right, Ike. Well, we're back for our second mini episode. Delicious mini episodes, like the Christmas cookie that has been sitting around, and finally somebody ate it and was disappointed because it was very hard.
Oh yeah, that eggnog that somebody left out that was a few days older than maybe you thought it was.
Was that my eggnog, or was that? Oh God, no. Yeah, exactly. Well, hopefully everybody had a good holiday, a good Christmas or Hanukkah or Kwanzaa or whatever. Rover miss, whatever. Yeah, hopefully everybody had a good time and got all the things that they wanted. If, however, you didn't get the thing that you want, and maybe you got a gift certificate, a lot of people, maybe you just got cash. Like somebody just, your significant other is like, listen, here's $100. All right. I don't know. What? Nobody can buy anything for you because you buy everything for yourself. You selfish bastard, which I get a lot, because I tend to just sort of buy the things that I need as I need them. I don't really think about gift-giving occasions. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know.
It sounds like you just, you think about gift-giving occasions for yourself.
That's right. Every day is
every day.
Yeah, the Amazon guys know our building by heart. They have a dedicated entrance at this point. So
yeah, you're like, man, I deserve this.
Mm-hmm. I work hard. I deserve it. I deserve it. Well, if you are still looking for a gift for someone, or maybe a gift for yourself, that I find that I am a measure 5 times cut wrong kind of guy. I don't know what it is.
I see that.
I am incapable of measuring things correctly.
Why do you think that is?
I don't know. I couldn't tell you. But
you measure one side and then you measure the other side, and those measurements don't agree, and you're like, okay, we're ready to go.
We're ready. And I measure several times, even sometimes, and I still do it wrong. So, one thing that I have been relying on lately to solve that problem for me is from a little American company called Recon, Reekon, and the O has umlauts over it for some reason. Doesn't seem very American. That doesn't seem very American. That's anti-American, really. But they make something. They make a series of tape measures. They make the Tomahawk is the one that I have, but they make a couple of other smaller ones. Standard tape measures, which everyone says don't ever do anything that you care about with a tape measure because it's very inaccurate, right? Well, this is an extraordinarily accurate tape measure. This tape measure has a DRO on the top of it, or a digital readout, and the tape itself is encoded. And it knows down to a fraction of a millimeter where the tape is in relation to the front of the tape measure or the back of the tape measure, or all kinds of different stuff. It has the ability to record measurements right on the kinds of tape measure. It has a little screen it will actually record all of your measurements as you're making them. You can hit a button and it actually writes them down right on the side of your tape measure.
Can you read books on there?
You can read tiny little books on the side of your tape measure.
Download that to your little screen. Let's see how big the screen is.
Yeah, so the screen there it is. It's in the handle of the tape measure.
And then as you pull the tape measure out, it just scrolls through the book.
It's exactly right. That's exactly right. You can just read whatever book you're reading at the time. It's got it in there. And yeah, the e-paper's persistent. So even though the tape measure is turned off, the little e-paper stays on the side. Now that's not even the best. It actually syncs live to your phone. So as you're making these measurements, you could take a picture of something and you could make a series of measurements, and then you can apply those measurements to the picture so you don't forget what measurement goes to what. It has a component that goes onto a chop saw that will take the measurement and then wirelessly transfer it over to the chop saw so that you can move things in and out.
Back up. So this tape measure is connected to your phone.
Yes.
All right.
To a chop saw. Yeah. To a chop saw. Yeah.
And wait.
Yeah.
And so what's the process of applying the measurements to the picture?
The process is you go on the phone, and so the workflow would be you have your phone, beside you, and you take a series of measurements, you take the photo, and then you just drag and drop those little measurements, which are like little cubes, onto the different parts of the photo, and it will save them all for you.
Couldn't you just do that in the like picture app on your phone anyway?
You could, yes, but this is much
and
fancier.
You don't need the
way
extra
more
app,
accurate.
but you could just type in the measurement from the accurate tape measure.
But you don't, because it's right on the side of the tape measure. You don't even need to do that. It's all typed in.
Yeah, but I mean, if you were transferring it to a phone.
Yes, if you were transferring, but you can transfer it in bulk from your phone. It is totally unnecessary.
But then you have to do the dragging and dropping,
to justify
and you have
the purchase of this thing. It is
to justify the purchase.
You have to justify the purchase of it because
you know what I don't need? I don't need somebody hacking my tape measure.
It is, two-factor authentication on your tape measure. So you first of all have to look up that little code on your phone and put it in. And
it texts you a code that you have to type in on your phone.
Yeah, exactly.
I hate this product. Can I say that? I hate this product.
It also has a small printer that you can wear on your belt. And you can, from the tape measure, you can send it to the printer, and the printer will print out a little tag with the measurement on it that you can stick to the thing you measured.
So it's like this thing is
this long.
This person is 60 inches wide.
Yes, exactly. Exactly. So there you go. So
I can see where that could be handy on dates.
That's right. Exactly. Yeah. I've just used this. Check the sticker out.
For men and women.
Anyone, really.
Anyone, really.
Children, pets, whatever you need. So if you're in the market for the world's fanciest tape measure, the Recon T1, the Tomahawk T1.
Hold that thing up again.
Go. Okay, here it is. This is I actually have it plugged in right now because it's out of batteries. So there it is. Gosh. There it is. The Tomahawk
T1. That thing
T1
is ridiculous. It looks like a personal safety device.
It does. It looks like I could tase someone. Oh, it also has a green laser that draws a laser line. I mean, it's got so many features. You have to just go look it up. It is.
How much does this thing cost?
I think they're on sale now for $250 or something.
All right. If you want a ridiculous gift and you measure a lot of stuff, this is what it is.
This is what it is. What about you, Ikers? What's the thing that you got this year that you really like? You're really enjoying?
To be honest, I was really excited to get rid of things.
Yeah, that's fine too.
I'm a person that saves and keeps a lot of things.
Yes,
because I'm going to need that. I'm like, I need this bulk of raw materials to build, X, Y, Z, whatever. Mm-hmm. So if you know a person that has a workshop that it has like a wood shop, that person inevitably has tons of
tiny little pieces of
wooden dowels.
Oh, I could use this somewhere.
Yeah, corner rounds, all kinds of different species of wood. Well, I'm the same way with metal and car parts.
You sure are.
So I've been getting rid of stuff. I've scrapped a lot of stuff in the last few weeks.
Wow.
Trying to clean out some more floor space. So we've gotten rid of, I don't know, probably 4 metric tons of debris, So I'm excited about it. Yeah, no, I mean, it's not like it's a big mess. It's just stuff that you're like, oh, I've had that for a long time. That transmission case with a crack that I've been meaning to weld, or that, whatever it is. So
no, I have to say your shop is exceptionally clean. But it is full of bits. I'm very fortunate
that Linus's mom likes to come in and help us keep everything straight, clean, organized. It's amazing. But it's also kind of weird because we're like grown people.
Yes. And your mom, Linus's mom, is coming over to clean your shop.
But she's really good at it. She's really good at it.
I mean, hey.
So like she's like there at 6 a.m. and there on Sundays, and like she really enjoys it. She's a person that enjoys doing that, and so it's been really, really nice to have a clean workspace. And
mom down here,
yeah,
really
you
dirty.
Definitely do.
The floor.
I bought that floor sweeper that you have.
Yeah,
but it's not nearly as good
as Linus's mom. Yeah.
So anyway,
it's true.
As far as things I've got, I'm being really excited to get rid of some stuff and consolidate a little bit.
I think purging is important.
But in the new year, that's all going to change because we got some containers coming from Australia.
That's right. Oh, that's right. Yeah, you got all kinds of shit coming, and new cars, all kinds of things.
It's gonna be big.
Can't wait.
So we got to make room for all that.
We're gonna have to do a container opening video.
Oh, that'd be fun.
Yeah. Like an unboxing video.
It's going to be like King Tut's tomb. Like 4 of us are going to die mysteriously in the process.
Trying to retrieve the 80-inch from the very back of that container.
Yeah, somebody's going to die. The last time we got something from Australia, the container was full of lizards, and it was a huge debacle.
Well, I can only imagine. Well, on that note, hopefully everybody's had a great holiday, and we're still out and about. I don't know where we are right now. We could be anywhere. really.
Yeah.
We could
this
be
is just, this
right
is just
behind
a background.
you. Yeah,
background.
Yeah, exactly. We could be, but we'll be back here you got one more little mini-sode coming your way next week, and then after that, we're back.
Enjoy the rest of your holidays and keep a lookout for invasive lizards.
That's a good point. You can never be too careful.
Nope. See you later.